Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you the best iPhone gesture, which is how to select sentence with 2 taps. So at first let's open the application that supports just has the text. And now let me just simply mark this text. As you can see, if I double tap some sentence, some word, I can easily copy it. But if I tap, for example, free tap, I can I can select the whole paragraph. And actually, that's it. And we can do this on every single thing. Double tap to mark a word, triple tap to get the whole sentence. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.